To get rid of suntan and restore your skin's natural complexion, follow these effective tips. 1. Sunscreen is key. Before stepping out in the sun, apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Reapply every 2 hours or more frequently if you're sweating or swimming. 2. Stay covered. Wear protective clothing like hats, sunglasses, and long sleeves to shield your skin from direct sun exposure. 3. Seek shade. Limit your time in direct sunlight, especially during peak hours, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., when the sun's rays are strongest. 4. Exfoliate regularly. Gently exfoliate your skin 2-3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and fade tan. Use a scrub or exfoliating brush, but avoid being too harsh. 5. Natural remedies. Try these natural remedies to lighten tan. Lemon juice. Apply lemon juice on the affected areas, leave it for a few minutes, and then rinse off. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on the tan and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing. Cucumber and yogurt mask. Mix grated cucumber with yogurt and apply it to the tanned skin. Wash it off after 20 minutes. 6. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated, which aids in the skin's natural healing process. 7. Tomato and yogurt mask. Mix tomato pulp with yogurt and apply it to the tanned areas. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing off. Tomatoes contain lycopene, which helps reduce tan. 8. Potato juice. Apply potato juice to the affected areas and let it sit for 15-20 minutes before rinsing. Potatoes have natural bleaching properties. 9. Milk and turmeric paste. Mix milk with a pinch of turmeric and apply it to the tanned skin. Turmeric has skin lightening properties. 10. Papaya mask. Mash ripe papaya and apply it to your face for 20-30 minutes. Papaya contains enzymes that help exfoliate the skin and reduce tan. 11. Oatmeal scrub. Mix oatmeal with yogurt and scrub it gently on the tanned areas. Oatmeal soothes the skin while exfoliating. 12. Cucumber and rose water. Grate cucumber and mix it with rose water. Apply the mixture to your face and wash it off after 15 minutes. Rose water has a cooling effect and helps remove tan. 13. Patience and consistency. Getting rid of tan takes time, so be patient and consistent with your chosen remedies and preventive measures. 14. Professional treatments. For severe tan or if home remedies don't yield satisfactory results, consider professional treatments like chemical peels or laser therapy. Remember, prevention is the best cure, so always protect your skin from the sun to prevent further tanning.